Let me tell y'all something. Are you going on vacation? You need this, okay? Are the streets calling your name? The streets are calling your name. Are they calling your name? You need this unit, okay?
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am here with another one from the BeautyForever Hair. So you know we love our people over at BeautyForever Hair. I'm so excited to get into this unit. And it's that season. It's a reason for the season. And we are getting back into headband wigs. So I am here with a 26-inch water wave headband wig, and I could not be happier. Okay, I love headband wigs. Full disclosure, a lot of people do not like them, but for me it makes it so much easier to get in and out, hit the supermarket, go to the bank, jump on a Zoom call because I'm still working from home with a headband wig. So BeautyForever Hair so graciously provide us with a 26-inch water wave wig, as well as some headbands, okay, and a wig cap. And I'm just going to go on ahead and get on into Mama and throw her up on my head. One of the things, again, I love about headband wigs, obviously, is the ease of throwing them up on my head. Alright guys, so this unit has one comb in the front, okay, two on the side, you see that, and one in the back. Okay, there are adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, as well as the Velcro band. Okay, so I'm just going to easily throw her up on my head. Well, first let's lay our baby hairs. I'm using my Ebin 24-hour edge tamer. Okay. And usually I wouldn't do this with makeup on, but because I'm already beat, we just going to get into it. All right, my loves, let's get on into the details of this BeautyForever headband wig. Now, this is a water wave unit. Obviously, she's glueless, and they have her at 200% density. She is thicker than a Snicker. I really love headband wigs, guys. I think that they are so super easy. I have this current one in 26 inches, and at 26 inches, this unit is going for just under $220. You can't beat that with a bag because you get so much love, sex, and magic. The hair is absolutely stunning. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She did exactly what I asked her to do. Okay, she's obedient. All right, I'm just going through and showing you guys how I actually put this unit on. I always cover the headband Velcro in the back, just because if I decide to throw up in a ponytail, it ain't nobody's business what's going on in the back of my head. So I'm going through and I'm going to style her up, okay? Again, she did not tangle. She did not shed. She's going for just under $220, which to me is fantastic for the quality of hair as well as the inches, okay? And not having to do nothing to her or for her, she is winning. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tap mouth and let y'all get on into this unit. right, guys, let's get on into this unit. I was telling you guys earlier, I really do love headband wigs. I think they're super easy. This one feels fantastical. Okay, I did not wet her. Why? Because I didn't have to. She was already rearing and ready to go. Let me tell y'all something. Are you going on vacation? You need this, okay? Are the streets calling your name? The streets are calling your name. Are they calling your name? You need this unit, okay? I love a easy throw on and go situation. I think it makes life worlds easier, like worlds. You have to get up for a Zoom meeting, you throw this on. You gotta, again, hit the supermarket, you throw this on, okay? You got somebody, a little suitor coming through, and you wasn't ready, but you got 15 minutes, you gotta hit the phone, throw this on, okay? Now, I really do love this unit. I think that she is a little bit big head friendly, but one of the great things is that in the back of the unit, they have the 2 Velcro pieces. So it's like one piece here, a couple centimeters down is another piece. I love that. It makes it a lot easier to tighten up the unit. She shed a little bit, just a little bit, but she's not tangling at all, which I love. And I just really enjoy BeautyForever hair coming through and getting back into the headband wigs for the season, okay? Because the girls love them for vacation. So let me know what you guys are thinking. I'm giving where that's from. What movie is that from? What movie is that from? Buzz down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.